Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to ABC tutorial channel. This is part 27 of Student Management System playlist using ASP.NET MVC with jQuery and AngularJS. Before we start this video, please watch previous videos of the series. In the last part of the series, I have shown student marks list by search student ID number and trimester name, and also shown total marks. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create student profile, and in this profile we gonna show you how to get student result. When a student log in, they can see their result. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to this Visual Studio and stop the debugging mode, and after that I'm going to this Solution Explorer. Okay, and controller, add controller, and MVC5 controller empty, click add button. After that I'm going to set a name student profile. Okay, and click add button. Okay, and here I'm going to give a name marks. Okay, and click add button, and here MVC5 view, click add button. After that just uncheck user layout page. Okay, we don't want any layout, so then click add button. Okay, we have successfully created our page. Now we need to design this page. So first of all I'm going to this admin lte master template which we used in this system. So I'm going to this admin lte template and open this index page. Okay, it's opening. Okay, after that I'm going to this pages, and here this contact us. Okay, we'll design this page like this page. Okay, so first of all I'm going to just copy this page name and paste it here. Okay, and this page I'm going to open in notepad plus plus, and in this page we need to add some scripts, jQuery, and some CSS links. So I'm going to this shared layout. Okay, and here just copy this CSS link and paste it in this head. Okay, after that this jQuery script, just copy and paste it here. Okay, and after that I'm going to this notepad. So we just opened this page, contact us. So copy this contact us and search it here. Okay, this one. Okay, just copy this and paste it in this body. Just copy and paste it here. Okay, just open this page. Okay, we can see here. Now here we going to show student name, then student ID. Okay, and here we going to show student result. Okay, okay, now I'm going to this login page. So home login page, and when admin login in this system, they will go to admin panel, and when a student login, then he or she will see his profile. Okay, so we need to define here a user will be admin or student. So I'm going to this Visual Studio, and in this I'm going to this login page, and when this sign in button click, then this function will execute. Okay, so I'm going to this go to controller, and this is our json result method. When this button sign in click, then it will be execute this function. Okay, so I'm going to this store procedure. Okay, just copy and paste it here, then we'll get this store procedure, and I'm going to just modify this store procedure. Okay, it's opening. Okay, now if I execute this query, okay, we can see here user type. Okay, we can define here which user is student or admin. So in this data table, okay, we are going to define if this dt dot rows, then third bracket start end 0 dot, sorry, then third bracket start end inverted comma. In this inverted comma we need to this user type. Okay, okay, this one user type, paste it here, dot to string equal if user type admin else. Okay, when also here and here, and we need to this response dot redirect. Okay, it will be go to, I'm going to this login page, and here we just use a home controller JS, and in this home controller JS, this home controller JS, okay, just remove this index from here and use this index right here, redirect to action. Okay, we need here first of all action name, then controller. So when admin, then it will be in this home controller, and this index. Okay, and use close it, and then it will be this marks page. Go to controller, student profile controller. After that this marks page. Okay, copy and paste it here. Okay, we need to use this line here and also this here, and we also need here user id. So when a student login, then we need to here session user id. So just, sorry, student id. So just copy this line and paste it here, stu id. Okay, student id. Okay, control s to save. Now just stop this debugging mode and run this project again. Now I'm going to login page. This is a login page, and when Control Shift R to hard refresh and admin 123 click sign in. Okay, sign in. Okay, it's not working. We need to change our code. So I'm going to just comment out this redirect to action. Okay, and when and we need to use this message option, so just copy and it will be admin. Okay, after that it will be user type will be student. Okay, and just comment it. Okay, and I'm going to this login page, and this ng click login data home controller JS. So I'm going to solution explorer. After that this home controller JS. Okay, and here we need to get the user type, which one A will be this message. Okay, we will get this mes. So if A equal admin, then it will be redirect to dashboard. Okay, and if user type student, then it will be redirect to student profile dot slash student profile slash this marks page. Okay, now Control S to save and stop the debugging mode. Just run this project. Okay, Control Shift R for hard refresh and click admin, then click sign in button and continue. Okay, we get dashboard, and just log out this page, and if I log in as a student, okay, username and password set, then click to sign in button and continue. Okay, we can see here student profile page. Okay, first of all, in this page we need to load student ID number and student name, and here we need to load trimester name. Okay, so first of all I'm going to this marks dot CSHTML page and just stop the debugging mode and label ID student ID number, and in this paragraph tag we need, so just remove from here this paragraph and just copy this h2 tag, paste it here and change the ID student name. Okay, Ctrl S to save and just remove from here this div. Okay, and now we need to jQuery code for load student ID number and student name. So I'm going to this student marks list. Okay, and just copy this script and paste it here. Okay, and remove this parameter. Okay, and copy this action and go to student mark controller. Just copy this action name and I'm going to student mark controller and paste it here and copy this method and I'm going to paste it in this student profile controller. Okay, and here write get student info. Okay, and using data table. Okay, and we need to also using new json soft json. Okay, and we need to create student profile dal. So just copy this student profile and add class dal. Okay, and click add button. Okay, now just go to student mark controller and get student mark list dal, copy this data table function and paste it here. Okay, and also we need this SQL connection string, copy and paste it here. Okay, and we need to using also here. Okay, and we need to change this name, get student info
dal. Okay, just copy and paste it here. Okay, and we need this dal link, so copy this link and paste it here and change this name student profile dal. Okay, and we need to using here. Okay, and just go to this student info dal. Okay, and copy this stored procedure name. I'm going to SQL server, and here just search this stored procedure. Okay, modify this. Okay, now we need to get student ID number, so just clear it and click OK. Okay, this get student ID number. Copy this and here new query, and where we need to pass student ID number s dot student ID number equal, and we also need student name s dot student name. Okay, okay, just copy this query and paste it here. Okay, we will pass here student ID. Okay, now right here get student info by ID. Okay, and just right here create and execute this query, and now just copy this stored procedure name and paste it here. Okay, and save it, and I'm going to this marks page, and we need to change this action name. It will be get student info, so copy and paste it here, and we need this controller. Just copy this controller name and paste it here. Okay, and just we no need this data parameter, remove from here, and just copy and paste it here. Okay, now just remove these codes, and we need to pass here this student ID Okay.
and right here dollar, then inverted comma, hash, and copy this paste here student id number dot html, and here we need to pass this result. Okay, and it will be 0 row. Okay, and from this select query just copy this student id number column and paste it here, then just copy this line once more time and write and copy this student name and paste it here, and copy this student name and also paste it here. Okay, and just go to this controller and to remove this string from here, and right here, and we need to pass here student id number will get from the session. Okay, I'm going to this controller and this session student id, copy and paste it here dot to string. Okay, okay, now I'm going to just run this project. Okay, and write here student id number and password and click sign in button. Okay, continue. We didn't get any data here, we need to check our code. So first of all I'm going to Visual Studio and this marks page. We need to cut this all script linked from here, just cut it and paste it in this head tag. Okay, and just this function we need to call it here. Okay, and colon it, then control s to save. Okay, and I'm going to just back. Okay, and in this login page go to controller. I'm already here has a breakpoint, so just set here id and password and click to sign in button F10. Okay, okay, we getting here student id 0, so we need to here this. Okay, copy and paste it here, then in this column name will be changed, will be student id. Okay, just remove it from here and stop the debugging mode and run this project again. Okay, and go to login page and enter here ID and password. Click to sign in button. Okay, now need to check F10. Okay, we need to check here quick watch. Okay, okay, we getting this student ID. Click to continue. Okay, we got here student ID and student name. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next part of the series. Allah Hafiz.